Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Capital One shopping rewards, so let's dive right in. First, navigate to Capital One Shopping's website or open the application and log in using your user credentials. Now, after logging in, you will see a page that will look something like this. Here, you need to be logged in to see your rewards. Once you're in, look for My Rewards and Savings tab. Click on it and you will see your rewards details here. If you want to redeem your rewards, simply click on the Redeem Now option. Since I don't currently have any balance, I can't redeem. But if you have available rewards, you will see your balance just right here. And you can redeem it for e-gift cards. Once you've selected a retailer and the amount to redeem, follow the steps in the portal. Just head to My Rewards and Savings section, click Redeem Now and follow the prompts. It's that simple. And that's it. It's a straightforward process. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.